Okay.
It's recording now. She said, ah!
You have to turn where your back face.
Hold up. Let me get around.
Don't think about it. Just talk to me.
Does it hurt?
I'm just Brandy. I want to see what you're really bad. I'm not doing anything.
You told me that you couldn't speak about it. Something happened. Nothing in your way. You hung out.
Really? Awesome. He's fine. My ticket. He said what? Good, because the earlier you get here, the less it bleeds.
Is that all you do?
Okay.
Does it hurt?
No.
You crying?
I'm trying.
Oh.
Okay, let me get over here now. Okay. Oh. I'll probably cry because I'm a pussy. Especially when it comes in my belly.
You can leave a little after 4. She's not going to be here at 4. She works on Sun Drive. Walmart. I don't know Walmart.
Yeah, but too much gum, it don't hurt. That's what I said.
What time do you think I should leave? About 4 p.m.?
All you got to do is walk down the street and then walk back. And that's it.
But you can't let her see you walking.
Wait until a green car gets here. It's a green Ford Escort.
You know her car. It's not hard to know.
Why is your foot open?
My feet's so bad. Ask Steve if he gets
Why ain't it
pissed off
bleeding?
at me.
Why is your feet cold?
He's very mad at me.
Am I bleeding?
No.
Oh.
That's what he was asking about. She's like, why aren't you bleeding?
I'm waiting my back itches. Wait, oh wait. Okay, there we go. The only thing I hate is that noise of that fucking gun.
Where's the gun?
Like,
Think about it. That's the bee buzzing stinging you. She's got the volume all the way up on it. She's got it turned all the way up.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, don't.
Yes, you do.
No, please don't. Please don't. Don't
Okay,
touch
get
it.
some, like, get some, like, at a distance so you can actually see it.
Okay, I can see your big head in it.
Oh, thanks.
Oh, you're totally welcome.
Yeah, that's trying to tickle and itch.
I can't see you. I can see your hands on it. And part of your body. I can't see the tattooing.
She's doing good.
Wait, stop real quick.
You're dumbass.
Are you using that one? No.
Yeah, no.
You're recording her? Can you, like, hear this? I gotta stop. So you gotta wait. Yeah, stop for a second.
Do you have a stop on there?
Who is it?
Hello? Hello? Embark accounts receivable.
Okay.
It's gonna record me.
No.
Oh!
Holy shit, that hurt really good. Chelsea,
You left bite marks on my
look at me and smile very big. Smile bigger.
Holy fuck, that hurt!
He said, holy fuck.
Smile big, Chelsea.
Let me say it.
She's like,
Let me see.
There goes my fat ass in the background.
There's like a mad cow over there chopping on that gum.
Alright, let me get up.
Steven, look at me. Wait, Chelsea, turn around.
Sorry.
Oh, I have a lot of pictures like that. Hold on. I want all y'all to look at
Hey, y'all are supposed to be on this recording, damn it.
Steven!
I need to find this camera I want to look in.
Look at me, Steven. Chelsea, look at me. Okay.
Chelsea.
Chelsea, can you hold on my foot so I can go in the bathroom?
Does it look good, you guys?
Mhm.
I'm sorry, I don't want to get in your face, but
Yeah.
sorry, I want to get things on the side. Sorry.
Hey, you want to do a cherry on my back? Does your back hurt, Chelsea?
Wait. You're gonna stop in a minute.
What?
You're gonna stop in a minute.
For what?
My back tickle. That's alright.
Does your back hurt, Chelsea?
It's big. I knew you were gonna feel like this. Come on, I need the sweat please. Wait, I need to
Here's
wear
mine.
sweat. First you got stuck. You went funny.
What the fuck ever, yo. Okay.
Chelsea's hanging out of her damn clothes over there. Look at my guy.
I know. I really am hanging my clothes too.
Don't worry about it.
Go ahead and stop the camera because I'm going to record it. I don't want to waste all the time at once, so we'll let you start again recording in a few minutes.
How do you stop it?
I want to see what the